Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually getting ready to leave for a quick weekend road trip. I'm actually going away for a conference for work. If you follow my Instagram, you may know that I also work at a salon part-time. So today I'm going away for, it's a class. I'm going to go help one of our stylists out with it. So I am going to do a pack with me video today. So you get to see everything I'm packing for my 3-day, 2-night work trip that I am taking. Go ahead and hit that like button if you'd like to see more videos like this from me. Also, if you please hit the subscribe button. I'm working on hitting my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. So that really helps me out. And hit that bell notification to get reminders when I post new videos. So let's get started. Okay, so here is everything that I am taking on my quick little 3-day, 2-night getaway. So you can see that I am using my eBags Mother Lode backpack that I always use. I do have another video where I review it in depth and I will link that for you. I am using my packing cubes to pack all my clothing in and they are already all packed. I also have a video for that, so I will link that. And lastly, I have all my toiletries in here. Again, I have a video reviewing this bag. I love it. I always use it, and I have a video I will link for you. The other things I'm taking, this little cosmetic bag does have all my hair stuff, so it's got like my bobby pins, that sort of thing, my toothbrush, my sunglasses, my vitamins. I do have a beach towel because there is a pool in our hotel, an indoor pool, so hopefully we'll get a chance to check that out. My purse and a few masks because this is the time of COVID, of course. So first I'm going to put my packing cube in here. I do have all my clothes, pajamas, swimsuit, everything for, really it's for 2 days because I'm already wearing what I'm going to wear today when I leave in about 2 hours from now. I do have a little bit extra in here because we are doing a late night walking tour. So I have some cold weather clothing in there that I wouldn't normally pack. Right here, I also have all my toiletries, and I'll show you real quick what all is in here. We have my hairbrush, comb, shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo, and other hair products like hairspray, deodorant. I have moisturizer, lotion, body wash, perfume, all that's in here. And I will kind of give you another view of that. You can see everything that's in there. I've got my makeup brushes here. And on the back side is where I have all of my makeup. So I have eyelashes, makeup remover, cleansing cloth, eyeliner, eyelid primer, mascaras in there, my Urban Decay palette, and then blush, bronzer, pore powder, and also a, what is this called? Eyebrow powder. Okay, so then that is going to go right in here, and it does fit just nice. Hair products, toothbrush, they all go in here, and my bath beach towel is going to go on this side. It fits perfectly right there. There's still a ton of room in here, as you can see, but I don't need to pack anything more because this is a quick trip and I'm pretty good at packing minimally. So this compartment right here is where I will put my vitamins because I want them easy to access. My sunglasses I tend to put in this compartment, and because I am used to traveling with masks, they always go here. Again, they're easy to get to, and I have like some tissues and stuff in there as well. And then my purse, I just have like my wallet, my card keys, my phone charger, and that's it. That is everything that I'm going to be taking with me on our quick little 3-day getaway road trip. And thanks for following along. So I hope you enjoyed following along with that today. That is everything I'm taking for this weekend trip. It's very quick. It's only a 2-hour drive, so it should be very quick, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you're still with me, thanks for following along with my pack with me video today. We're getting ready to leave in about 2 to 3 hours, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to support me in another way, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at NowViewingTheWorld. Thanks. Bye-bye.